This is Indonesia. Java Island. At the south of Jakarta, Depok is located. Depok was founded on the 28th of June 1714 by Cornelis Chastelein. There are historical buildings that are related to the native Depok families: Packers, Isaac, Jacob, Jonathans, Joseph, Lawrence, Leander, Lowen, Samuel, Saudara, Valence, Zadok. One of the buildings is the Monument of Depok. This building was destroyed probably during the Revolution. And now we are going to make the replica of the Depok Monument. Tinkercad. Freecad. Cura. Creality Ender 3v3 SE using Creality Hyper PLA Filament.